Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing you how to make a sweet potato casserole. It's an easy side dish, perfect for Thanksgiving and the holidays. In a large pot, I have 4.5 pounds of sweet potatoes. That's about 4 to 5 large sweet potatoes. And I peeled and cut them into about 1-inch pieces. Now I'm going to pour in enough water to cover the surface of the potatoes. Then bring to a boil and let cook uncovered for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are easily pierced with a fork. Once finished, you want to drain the water from the sweet potatoes and transfer them to a large mixing bowl. And it's time to mash them up. I love using an electric hand mixer. It makes it much easier. Now it's time to add in all the other ingredients. First, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and beat together until well combined. Then spread the sweet potato mixture into a 9 by 13 casserole dish and smooth out the top with a spatula. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. And it's time to make the crumb topping. In a medium bowl, I'm going to add in half a cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and whisk together. Then add 3 tablespoons of diced cold unsalted butter and use your fingers to rub the mixture together until pea-sized crumbs form. Now stir in 1 cup of chopped pecans. And it's time to top the sweet potatoes. I like to top them with some mini marshmallows first. Then with the pecan mixture. And with some more mini marshmallows. You can never go wrong with more marshmallows. You're gonna bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the marshmallows are golden brown. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!